Most drivers think they're good drivers, but some of the habits you still do every single day are quietly damaging your car. And the worst part? They feel completely normal. These aren't dramatic crashes or obvious abuse. These are small daily mistakes that slowly lead to expensive repairs. In this video, I'm going to break down 9 driving mistakes you're probably still making, and how to fix them before they cost you thousands. Let's start with one almost everyone does. One, driving hard on a cold engine. Numero 45, 2 bars. Starting your car and immediately pressing the gas hard is one of the most common mistakes. When your engine is cold, the oil hasn't fully circulated yet. Cold oil is thicker and doesn't lubricate metal parts as effectively. If you accelerate aggressively during this time, internal components experience more friction. You won't see damage instantly, but over months and years, this habit increases engine wear. The fix is simple. Start your car. Wait 20-30 seconds. Drive gently for the first few minutes. Keep RPM low. You don't need to idle for 10 minutes. Just drive calmly. 2. Resting your foot on the brake pedal. 2 times 310. Many drivers lightly rest their foot on the brake while driving. Even slight pressure keeps brake pads in light contact with the rotors. This creates unnecessary heat, faster brake wear, reduced fuel efficiency. Brakes are designed for firm, intentional use, not constant slight contact. If your brake lights are constantly flickering while driving, you may be doing this. Lift your foot fully off the brake when not stopping. This extends brake life and improves control. 3. Running your fuel tank. Too low, 310, 420. Driving near empty regularly is more damaging than most people think. Fuel tanks collect dirt and sediment at the bottom. When fuel levels are low, your fuel pump pulls that debris into the system. Also, fuel pumps rely on gasoline to cool themselves. Low fuel means less cooling. Over time, this increases pump wear and can cause premature failure. Fuel pump replacement isn't cheap. Try to keep your tank above 1/4 whenever possible. 4. Shifting between reverse and drive without fully stopping. 420 to 530. This one is extremely common in parking lots. You're backing up, then quickly shift into drive while still rolling slightly. Inside the transmission, gears are forced to change direction under load. This creates internal stress and shock. Occasional mistake? Probably fine. Daily habit? Expensive. Always come to a complete stop before shifting between reverse and drive. It takes 1 extra second, but saves your transmission. 5. Ignoring small noises. 536-45. Strange sounds rarely fix themselves. Light squeaking, small grinding, minor vibration. Drivers often say "Meow." It's not that bad yet. But small mechanical issues grow. A tiny brake noise becomes damaged rotors. A small suspension knock becomes worn control arms. Early repairs are cheaper. Ignoring sounds multiplies the bill. If your car starts making a new noise, investigate early. 6. Aggressive acceleration from every red light. 645, 755. Fast launches feel fun, but constant hard acceleration puts stress on engine mounts, transmission, CV joints, tires. Sudden torque transfers shock through the drivetrain. Occasional acceleration is fine, but making it a habit dramatically increases wear. Smooth throttle application protects internal components. You'll also save fuel. 7. Riding the clutch. Manual drivers. 755-9 Briarbury. If you drive a manual car, resting your foot on the clutch pedal is a hidden killer. Even slight pressure keeps the clutch partially engaged. This creates friction and heat. Another mistake is holding the car on a hill using the clutch instead of the brake. That overheats the clutch plate quickly. Clutches are wear items, but riding them cuts lifespan significantly. Use the brake to hold position. Keep your foot off the clutch when not shifting. 8. Ignoring tire pressure. 9 on to 10 ton 10. Tire pressure affects more than just comfort. Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency, increase tire wear, stress suspension, affect braking. Overinflated tires reduce grip and cause uneven wear. Many drivers only check tires when they look flat, but even a small pressure difference impacts performance. Check pressure monthly. It's one of the simplest ways to protect your car. 9. Delaying small maintenance tasks. 10, 10, 11, 20. Postponing minor services is one of the biggest long-term mistakes. Skipping oil changes, delaying fluid replacement, ignoring alignment issues, small neglect compounds. Dirty oil leads to sludge, old transmission fluid causes rough shifting, misalignment destroys tires faster. Maintenance isn't about spending more, it's about preventing bigger bills later. Preventive care is always cheaper than repair. Hitting potholes and speed bumps too fast. Suspension damage happens gradually. Repeated impacts damage. Control arms, bushings, alignment wheel bearings. Even if the car feels fine, wear increases internally. Slow down for bumps, your suspension will last longer. 11. Keeping heavy junk in your car. Extra weight means more fuel consumption, more brake wear, more suspension strain. Many drivers carry unnecessary heavy items in the trunk for months. Clear out excess weight. Your car works less. Your wallet benefits. 12. Ignoring warning lights. Because it still drives fine. A check engine light doesn't always mean disaster, but ignoring it can create one. Small sensor issue, misfire, catalytic converter damage. One ignored light can multiply repair cost. Scan early, fix early. 13. Riding the gas pedal downhill. Instead of engine braking, going downhill in drive while constantly tapping brakes overheats brake components. Instead, shift to a lower gear and let engine braking help. This reduces heat and brake wear significantly. Brake overheating leads to warpy rotors reduced stopping power, expensive repairs, deeper insight section 1230-1330. Here's the pattern you should notice. None of these mistakes destroy your car instantly. That's why people ignore them. Damage builds slowly. Cars are engineered to tolerate abuse for a while, but tolerance isn't immunity. Small daily stress creates long-term mechanical fatigue. Most expensive breakdowns are not random, they are cumulative. Driving smarter isn't about driving slower. It's about driving intentionally. If you eliminate these habits, your car will last longer, feel smoother, and cost less to maintain. Small corrections today prevent major bills tomorrow. Drive smart. Protect your car. Protect your wallet. None of these mistakes destroy your car instantly. That's why they're dangerous. They work slowly, quietly, until one day something fails. Most expensive repairs come from repeated small habits, not sudden disasters. Outro, 1150-1220. Driving smarter doesn't require technical knowledge, it requires awareness. Avoid these 9 mistakes and your car will last longer, cost less to maintain, and stay safer. Small corrections today prevent expensive problems tomorrow. Drive smart. Protect your car. Protect your wallet.